Hi there. So here's a video to help you locate student reports. So I go into diagnostic status, monitor student status, scroll down to the kids that have finished. I'll choose this kiddo. PDF, top right. And then you have options. I do not choose additional resources. Most of those resources are not available to us. I do not choose national norm because parents pretty much do not have an idea what that means. If you want to, you can. I mean, it does have some information. Then I click print. The PDF opens. We do not have the ability to do this in the form of a batch. That came up last year. Unless it's changed, I have no idea. Then you go to save. And then it will, you'll see open file. And then save as you see fit. Okay? So again, start over. Let me close this out. To the top, diagnostic status, monitor student status. To the bottom, all the green are the kids that have completed. Find a kiddo. Top right, PDF. I take off additional resources. I take off national norm. Print. And then save. Okay, save. Alrighty, there you go.